So you want that Giga Chad alpha male jawline, don't you?
And mewing is probably the easiest way to get that jawline.
If you clicked on this video, you probably know what mewing is. While the other dudes talk about things like putting the tongue to the top of the roof and pushing it upwards. And whatever it is, it sounds so complicated. And that is why I have developed the most simplest and easiest way that you can implement right from now to get started with mewing. You saw it in the thumbnail, didn't you? That was just a 6-month transformation of mewing.
And imagine 10 years from now, what kind of a strong, sharp, masculine jawline I could have.
And you can have this jawline too. I want you to do it with me. Close your mouth, spit into your mouth, and swallow the spit. And keep the tongue in the same position as you did while swallowing the spit. I'll repeat the steps again. You close your mouth, you spit into your mouth, and you swallow the spit whilst keeping the tongue in the same position as you did while swallowing the spit. By practicing this method of mewing, you can mew without consciously having to think about putting the tongue to the top of the roof and pushing it upwards. If you did this for days, months, and even years from now, you will have a stronger, sharper, and more masculine jawline. And this will make you more attractive, and this will attract more girls towards you. So if I got you into mewing, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share it with your friends who have weak jawlines.